Here are the 10 highest paid jobs you can do from home. Number 10, tax preparer. The first well-paid home job is that of a tax preparer. The median salary for this job is $31,000. And you all know tax season, right? So you must imagine that being a tax preparer is a seasonal job from January until the end of April that can be easily done straight from your home. Tax preparers are asked to work weekends or maybe evenings and weekdays, but they can choose the time that works better for their schedules. Even if you're working long hours, you can do it from your home, so are they really long hours? Number 9, graphic designer. Up next, we're talking about being a graphic designer. The median salary is $42,000, and if you have a good eye on what's appealing to a customer, what would look good together, and you can draw, then why don't you become a graphic designer? You can work in any kind of domain you want, like marketing, technology, commercial industries, and others, right from your home. Of course, you might have to meet clients, but you can do pretty much everything from home, such as decide on the design's guidelines, conduct the research you need, draw, improve the design, basically have a lot of creative leeway in this job. So if you're someone who is a creative person, this might be one of the best jobs for you because you have a lot of room to really be like, okay, I really want to use this sort of style with this specific company. But of course, you got to work with clients. And hey, if you do something custom, you probably could make something way more expensive. Like you could charge for far more money. Number 8, a public relations specialist. So one of the highest paid jobs you can do from home is being a PR. So the median salary is $51,000. So if you like talking people and know how to turn a negative thing into something positive, then a public relations specialist might be the perfect job for you. A PR's job is to generate positive publicity for their clients and make their public reputation as good as it gets. An important part of a public relations specialist is knowing how to use social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms, because they are working close to bloggers, journalists, and, of course, the media. Number 7, writers and authors. So the next well-paid job where you can work from home is being a writer. The median salary is $55,000, and this is for sure one job I'm happy to see on this list. I guess you can figure out why, because being a writer might not be an easy ride, but buckle up because hard work pays off. Bloggers, authors, journalists, they are all writers in different ways, and if you decide to take this path, you can work from home for sure. There's no need to explain why novel authors can totally work from home. That is kind of self-explanatory, right? You can write whenever you feel inspired to do it because it's your story. You can publish it at any time you want. That is, if your publisher doesn't pressure you. Now, if you're not an author and you go for the media side of writing, you might have to go to an office from time to time, but the things you can do from home are countless, including research, preparing your stories, having all the materials ready, or promote your writing on social media. All you need is a laptop and you're good. Not only that, there's different forms of writing. There's so many different ways that you can make money doing this. So it's a very open field. Number 6, post-secondary teacher. Ever heard about post-secondary teachers? The median salary is $59,000. So if you haven't, I am telling you now, they have one of the highest home-paying jobs. Since the online world is expanding and evolving as we speak, it's only normal for teachers to get involved in this environment too. So post-secondary teachers are those lucky ones who can stay at home, drink their coffee, and tutor students through the internet. They can communicate with people all over the world and give them advice using video conference, phone call, or email, making it easier and more convenient for both themselves and the student. If you have great online communication, you know your way around the internet, and have good teaching skills, a post-secondary teacher might be your dream job. Number 5, a market and survey researcher. One of the highest paid jobs that you can do from home is being a market and survey researcher. Median salary is $61,000. In order to be successful, companies are constantly trying to figure out which products sell the best or appeal the most to the public. And that's when a market and survey researcher comes in. The job requires you to analyze and study market conditions for the companies in order to improve the effectiveness of their marketing and business strategies. You can do a lot of things right from your home, but the job may require to work full business hours, so it's only for your employee to decide. Number 4, a registered nurse. Our next well-paid home job is a registered nurse. The median salary is $62,000. And I know what you're thinking. How can someone be a nurse and take care of people from home? Well, it's possible. Nurses don't necessarily need to work long hours in a hospital. They can also work in a medical call center doing telephone triage, or help coordinate care plans and providing care assessment. Also, if you're a registered nurse working from home, you can recruit new employees to fill open positions. Number 3, computer software engineer. So making into our top 3 highest paid jobs that you can do from home is computer software engineering. The median salary is $85,000, and commonly trained in different technologies, computer software engineers are really well paid even if they work from home. They usually report their work back to a team or management structure. If you decide to follow this job, you will create packaged software and customized applications. Some of the certification programs to become a computer software engineering, including Cisco or Microsoft training. But don't imagine it's all fun and a lot of money. Statistics say that 17% of computer software engineers work more than 50 hours a week, even if they are home-based, so think twice before choosing this job. Number 2, financial manager. And the runner-up job that pays well is being a financial manager. So the median salary is $99,000. Now, even though it might not seem possible, in some cases, financial managers can do part of their work from home. Their main responsibilities are to oversee the finances of companies or agencies and provide financial reports. If you want to pursue this job, you need to know that in order to complete all the financial analysis, you must be time efficient, even if you decide to do all the work from home. Financial managers usually have a degree in finance, economics, business administration, or accounting. And number 1 is a physician and radiologist. And the highest paid home job is being a physician or radiologist. The median salary is $186,000. Again, probably as surprising as nursing, being not either a physician or a radiologist working from home is in fact possible. Working from home will require file reviews, such as completing peer reviews, writing reports, or authorizations. Of course, you can't do just that, so working in a clinic is the first step to take. And a bonus would be creating your own business, whether it be offline or online, mainly online if you're working from home, right? Now, a good way to do this is think of like YouTube. YouTube is something that literally costs no money that you could start trying to make money with it. You could do podcasting completely for free, and you could start making money right away. Now, you can check out 40inbox.com to master your money. There's personal finance lessons and courses. And if you want to make money online, learn the 4 steps to make money online in the description of this episode. And stay tuned for more. Make sure to check out the links down in the description below, the money tools and whatnot, because you could join Robinhood and potentially get a free stock worth up to $500 by joining and linking a bank account. You can automatically invest your spare change, where basically you do your everyday purchases and it just rounds up to the next dollar amount, and invest that difference on your behalf in things that you want automatically. So you don't even have to think about it. It's like the laziest way to get involved in investing. So you check that out. That's Acorns. And you could also get a free amount of Bitcoin by joining Coinbase down below, and I believe putting in $100. So check those links down below. Stay tuned for more. We'll upload pretty often.